Sausage! Bloody hell! You can't turn right here. Look at the sign, top left. Thick as dogs. What an absolute can't turn right sausage. Bloody hell! Yep, more people parked in. The zigzags keep clear. School time coming out. Honestly, silly sausages. That's just an ignorant sausage. Cotswomble. I just wish Tesco's would stop people like that just sitting.
She's just gone in there herself. She doesn't seem as if she wants an awful lot, but she didn't really.
What you're supposed to do is drop them off, drive and park somewhere, then drive round and pick them up again. Eh? Oh, no, that. It's only a drop-off point.
And that's why it stops people picking people up, doesn't it?
Of course it does. Aye, you got your tree up yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Here's an owl. Nice parking by them silly vans. We'll find a space that's designed for them. A couple of sausages. That you know.
I was just going to say it's very good for the omega-3, you know, it's one of the best fish that you can eat.
That's one thing I'll be doing when I'll be gone in Swimming World next year. After Christmas.
Aye.
I eat loads of fish and things like that. I used to love me mackerel and stuff on toast. It's delicious, man.
Well, it's the best for you, mackerel. I don't like sardines because there's so many big ones in there. Them little big ones, I don't like them. I don't like sardines, but the mackerel's lovely.
Aye. But the sardines were like soft bones, you could crunch them.
Aye, you know. I like the mackerel. It's only 79 pence a tin at the house. The whole bag of it's lovely.
I know it is. You can spread it on your toast and all.
Aye, that's what I do. Do the toast and mackerel up on the top. Aye. It's really nice.
Have you seen them have you heard of the fish called surströmming?
Oh, I watched the YouTube with that when they opened it. I think it's you in all the way, rest it all over the place. So,
I mean, how bad is that? Right, these people running the fucking red traffic lights, man. What a bunch of sausages.
oh, fucking idiot.
Shit.
Are you on your way home?
I'm just off to pick up a click and collect from. He's another thickhead looker blocking in the middle of the junction with traffic lights, and he just sits there right smack in the middle. There we go. There we go. Must have heard what I said. Another nice indicator. That's professional. I might just be in the twine. Right, 580. You can.
Give me a moment, you will see a black screen on the computer. That is why I'm going to make it black, okay? This box,
Perfect, yeah. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I think the top two is just forget about it. Forget about the top
That's
two.
it, cyclists. Just run the red light. Just run the red light. He's waving his hands, expecting the lights to change. It doesn't work like that.
But no, not really.
Just wait like everybody else, man, when the lights run red.
Sales.
You sausage on two wheels.
The fact that
With an all